video. So today is Monday, August 25th, and it is the start of a new week. So I hope you guys have been doing amazing. I hope that you have enjoyed your Monday thus far. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are returning to the channel and you are already subscribed, then you are considered family. And so if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe because we want you to be a part of the family because we're growing over here. Well, I just got off work and me and my husband, we're getting ready to go on our walk. We try to walk at least every other day. We do at least 30 minutes. And within those 30 minutes, we do like a mile and a half. So eventually we're going to increase it. But for right now, we do 30 minutes. And we are getting ready to go do that right now. And then after the walk, I'm going to stop by Goodwill because I have not been thrifting in a while. And I want to see if I can find some decent fall pieces. So I'm going to stop by a Goodwill in my area. We have so many Goodwills in my area. So I'm just going to pick one and just see if I can find something good. So, yeah, I feel like I'm so far back. Oh, you know what it is? I put my, what do you call it? I have a lens that you can attach to the DJI. It came with the Creator Combo Kit. And so I put the lens on. And so when you use the lens that it comes with, it's not putting you so close in the frame. It kind of makes you go back because it widens the frame of the camera, or of the lens. So that's why I'm like, why do I look like I'm all the way back there? But anyway, so yeah, we are getting ready to go on our walk. I wanted to go ahead and get the vlog started. So we're getting ready to go do our walk, and then I'll be taking you inside with me to Goodwill. It's a Monday, so I know over the weekend and on Mondays, people typically drop off a lot of things that they're trying to donate. So hopefully we can find a few good pieces. I don't care if it's just 2 pieces. I just want to find something good, something that I can add to my wardrobe for fall. And so that is what I'm going to be searching for. I think that I'm going to go to a couple thrift stores throughout the week. But for today, I'm only going to do one, which is Goodwill. So yeah, I will bring you along with me. So let's go. Okay, so I am leaving a Goodwill and I didn't find anything in there. Um, they had some cute pieces, but it was just not like for fall time. So I'm looking for like fall items and I didn't see any. So I'm gonna check. IKEA?
Do you guys like that?
We love it.
Because my daughter totaled my car. This shit box is my friend's. It's so embarrassing.
Yeah.
You have to crawl through to open the door. But
I did not find anything. I saw a couple items that I liked, but not enough to purchase. I'm looking for like fall items, and they had some different long sleeve and they had some sweaters, but I'm gonna keep checking at different locations to see what I can find. So when I go to the next thrift store, then I'll bring you guys along. But for now, it was a buzz, didn't find nothing, so moving on to the next. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and I am in the car headed to Hobby Lobby. Y'all, I know it's a little too early to be talking about Christmas, but the other day when I was in Hobby Lobby, which was Saturday, yeah, it was Saturday, they have all of their Christmas items at 50% off. There's this new item that they have out and it is so cute, and it comes in the colors pink and red, and it is a bow topper for your tree, like a hair bow, but it's a bow. And when I saw it, I don't know why I didn't get it, but I'm headed to go get it right now. I don't care if it's August getting ready to be September. When you are a content creator or a DIYer and you love Christmas, it doesn't matter. I mean, I would keep my Christmas trees up year round, but my husband, he gonna be like, what are you doing? So but yeah, but a lot of the stuff at Hobby Lobby is put out so early that the stuff sells out quick. So if you sleep on it for too long, it's gonna be gone. So I'm headed to Hobby Lobby now to get the pink one, because I really want to. I have a smaller Christmas tree that I'm going to decorate for my upstairs, and it's $11.99 and it's 50% off, so it'll only be about $7. But yeah, sorry y'all, it was a car that stalled in the middle of the road. But yeah, so I'm headed there now to go get it, and then I need to drop something off to Goodwill, and then I'll be headed back to the house so I can work on editing my video and having it uploaded tomorrow. So I'll bring y'all inside once I get to Hobby Lobby so I can show y'all exactly how it looks in the store, and I'll also show you some of the other items that I saw that's new this year that I know for a fact they didn't have last year. So I don't have on my wig today. I was in the house all day. I didn't go anywhere until right now. It is 6:30. I've been in the house all day, and I wasn't about to just throw on a wig just to go to Hobby Lobby. Like, no. So baseball cap it is, because listen, I'm not doing that today. But yeah, so I will pick the camera back up once I get inside Hobby Lobby. All right, so we have made it to Hobby Lobby. Let's go. Hopefully they have the bows, because that's the one I saw the other day. So let me find the bows. Oh, here they go. They're right here. They also have red. Red is pretty. Y'all, Hobby Lobby don't be playing when it comes to putting out their seasonal items. Like right now, it's everything Christmas, 50% off. So we're gonna be shopping early for Christmas, I guess. All right, so I got what I wanted out of Hobby Lobby. So I am headed to drop off a few things that I need to donate to Goodwill, and then I am headed home. So if I do not pick the camera back up, I'm going to most likely end the vlog here. So yeah, I think that's going to be it. So I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I don't think I'm going to do any more vlogging tonight because I need to edit the video to get it uploaded tomorrow. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for considering subscribing. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.